Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to use the CapCut vote template on TikTok. In doing this one, make sure to download CapCut application first. You can have it on your Play Store or your App Store. As for me, I cannot see a direct use for the template in TikTok, but we can still start from the CapCut, then transfer it to TikTok. So, go now to your CapCut application. Here in the template, search meme vote TikTok. Here, you have several templates and just choose any of these based on your preference. Now here, tap Use Template. Now this time, choose a photo to be added to the template. As for me, I'll have Selena Gomez here again. Then tap Preview. Here, your photo is added now to the template. To transfer it to TikTok, just tap Export and tap this one. And here we go. You can freely post it on your TikTok now. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.